system Sada and you are watching the Absolute Rider. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel guys, and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video today we will be going to learn about how to maintain our vehicles at our home standing simply like an idle. So I have some tips which I will be sharing with you guys in this video, and let us know what are those steps which we can maintain our bikes and not letting the vehicles cause any damage after their time of quarantine. So we are already going through the quarantine, and really I am facing a lot of problems with my Royal Enfield because it won't start in the first self. I need to kick, but problem is that only the self is not working. But if I kick for one time, the bike gets started. So even in the video you will be seeing that it's just one kick and the bike gets started. So please do not do careless in this matter guys, because there is a lot of chances where your battery might get drained during this time because of standing like an idle. So let's start the video guys, and please make sure that you watch this video till the end, and if you have any queries you can follow me on my Instagram handle and you can surely ask your queries there. So let's start this video guys. So guys, the first tip is that make sure you park your vehicles on a center stand. Yes, R15 does not have a center stand, and I even don't have the paddock stand, so that I'm not able to make this bike stand on a center stand. But I don't think it really matters for this bike because the stand is right accurate and it's not leaning too much, so that the weight of the bike is balanced. But on the Royal Enfield, the weight of the bike is too much and you need to park the bike on the center stand. So please make sure your bike is on center stand, and right now as you can see the bike is standing with the help of center stand, so it does not cause any problem to your bike and your stand. Actually recently I changed my Royal Enfield's stand during the service. It costed me around 800 rupees including the stand's bracket as well, because the bracket was totally bent because of standing. And you guys might have observed some people park their bike on the single stand and they will be sitting like this. Yes, even I did the same. And my bike stand was totally bent, the previous stand. So actually right now it's new stand and it's totally perfect, but still I don't want to park the bike on that stand and I have parked my bike on the center stand. So please make sure even you guys follow the same. So the second step is make sure you park your bikes under the shade or use the bike cover to park it, because if you are making your bike stand outside for a whole day or a full time of quarantine, your bike's paint might get damaged and it might fade away guys. So please make sure you stand the bike inside the shade. As you can see, we have a parking lot and most of the people cannot have the parking space like this. So I really recommend them to buy one bike cover, or if they have any kind of cloth, microfiber cloth, they can surely put it on the tank or the bike seat. So you can see my Royal Enfield, it's been 5 years. I never park my bike under the direct sun because I really don't like it, and my bike is made of full metal, so it absorbs the heat very soon, and it's first of all a black colored one. So I really don't park my bike under the direct sun. I always find some or the other shade to park my bike if I go anywhere guys. Even on the rides I won't park my bikes in the direct sun. So this is the second step you need to follow. So guys, the third step is make sure you move your bike for 2 to 3 meters and apply the brakes so that it doesn't get jammed right there. There will be a liquid on your bike's brakes every time, so it might cause a rust or dirt sitting on it. So please make sure you move your bike like this. So you move your bike like this, back and front, apply the brake for 2 to 3 times. So this actually helps your brakes be active and does not get any damage. The fourth step is very important guys, because you need to start your bike at least for once in 2 days or 3 days, because there might be a chances of battery getting drowned, and if you don't want that to be happening, then you need to start your bike for at least 2 to 3 minutes minimum of time. You saw in the starting of this video, I really turned on both the cars and let that to be in idle position for at least 5 minutes, guys. Yes, because those are the diesel cars and they need this work to be followed regularly when they are parked. Usually in the cities, we guys do not take out the cars, but they are the very important part of the vehicles, and their battery might get down very soon and very easily, guys. So I really started them for 5 minutes and let it idle for 5 minutes so that the battery gets recharged once again and not letting the battery to die. So this is the first step and very important, guys. I will give the trial how to switch on your bike and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes. So I will try with the R15. So the bike is on right now and let it be in idle for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Don't press the throttle because it will be in a standing position for a long time. So this is the first step you need to follow, and this is really important step to be taken during this time of quarantine. The fifth step of this video is do not let your bike or any vehicles be wet when you park, and please make sure if you are washing your bike during the quarantine, make sure it is fully dried up with the air blower or anything, and please make sure you are drying the water in each and every part of your bike because that leads to the rusting and dust settlement on your bike. The sixth and last step of this video is make sure you clean your chain and lube it periodically because the bike is not running and the chain as well will not be running. So the chain will be standing at the constant place and it might catch some dust particles and it might lead to the rust. So please make sure you change the clean periodically at least twice in a week and clean it properly so that it doesn't get any dust or rust on your chain, so that you need not to replace the chain sprocket because the chain sprocket costs you not less than 2,000 rupees. My Royal Enfield's chain sprocket is comes around 1,800 rupees, and I am really sure R15's chain sprocket costs more than that. So please make sure you take care of that and lube it periodically, guys. So this is the sixth and the last step of this video. So guys, this was the video all about. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends who are owning the motorcycles. Let them also know how to maintain the bikes during this time. And if you are having some more doubts and clarifications, you can surely comment in the below. And you can follow me on my Instagram handle. You can surely put up your queries there. I will be free to respond to you all. What else job I have, guys? I will be 24 hours on Instagram and YouTube so that I can easily respond to your messages directly from there. And yes, guys, you need to follow me and ask the queries on the Instagram. If you like this video, then please hit the big thumbs up button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, guys. And stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, guys. So by saying this, I would like to sign out. Take care, bye bye. Does not lead to the